You can spend time listing on other platforms, but like Jasper Rivers, the author of Get Paid for Your Pad, one of the authors for two of them actually, you can spend more time improving your listing on Airbnb, improving your guest houses. I recommend that as opposed to listing on other platforms where you get very few guests. So, in my opinion, devote your time to Airbnb and it won't let you down. Okay. I have a policy that whenever I log on to my phone or a computer, the first thing I do must be to check Airbnb for messages. I think it's a really good policy, and I've got good ratings for response time and all that. And guests feel much more comfortable if their host is really good at checking up on their messages, if there are any problems. So I encourage you to do that as well. Okay, right. So what do you need to do to prepare your place for Airbnb? Number one, I would say, is cleaning. You may think it's clean, but you need to think of the most picky guest you can imagine, and would it be clean for them? So you need to really do that. A lot of the things you have in your home, guests probably don't want to see. They definitely don't want to see your dirty underwear. Neither does your mother. Books are good for guests, things like that, but maybe family photos they don't want to see too much of. Guests are somewhat understanding. They want to, they know that it's your home, but you don't want it to be too cluttered. That's something that we've had complaints about, that we have too many of our things there. So I'm slowly trying to reduce things like family photos, things like that, but